Today we will talk about division involving decimals. Let's start with a case where I have a dividend of 2 and a divisor of 4. The dividend is small, the divisor is big. This may involve some decimals. So let's see how this works. How many 4's in 2? You have 0 4's in 2, right? Now what you do is you can now continue, and you can 0 times 4 is 0, take it away, 2. Now I can actually didn't accomplish anything, so this is what I can do. I can continue, put a 0 here, and I put a decimal point here, and continue as if nothing happened. How many 4's in 20? 5 4's in 20. 4 times 5 is 20, take it away. So 2 divided by 4 is 0.5. Let's try another example where I have a dividend that's big and a divisor that's small. Now how many 3's in 3? 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Take it away. You bring the next one down. 7. How many 3's? 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Take it away. 1. If I were doing whole number division, I would have stopped right now. But I learned decimals, so I can continue. This is what you do. You put a 0 here because there's nothing to bring down. So there's nothing to bring down here. And you put a decimal point here. The point that you put a 0, you put a decimal point. So let's continue. How many 3's? 3. 3 times 3, 9. Take it away, 1. And you can actually continue one more time if you want. How many 3's? Again, you have 3 3's. 3 times 3 is 9. Take it away, 1. And so forth. You can actually, the answer would be 12.3. And since it's repeating, you can put a hat in there showing that this decimal is repeating. Now let's try an example where I have a dividend that is a decimal. There are two ways of doing this problem. So let me do it both ways. Let's say I have 8.32 divided by a whole number, which is 2. One way is to put the decimal right above where the decimal is and do the division as if these are whole numbers. How many 2's in 8? 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 0. Bring the next one down. How many 2's in 3? 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1. Bring the next one down. How many 2's in 12? 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Take it away. So the answer is 4.16. Now you can do the same problem if you don't like doing this, putting the same decimal point in the same location. This is what you can do. You can write 8.32 divided by 2 as, you can move this decimal to the right twice. And there is as if there is a decimal here in 2 because 2 is a whole number. You move it twice, but there's no place to move, so you add 2 decimals. So this problem became as if I'm dividing 832 by 200. If you're doing that, you will say, okay, how many 200's in 832? 4 of them. 4 times 200 is 800. Take it away. You'll end up with 32. Okay, now I ran out. There's nothing to bring, so I need to put a 0 and then a decimal point here and continue as if nothing happened. How many of those do you have? 1. 200. Take it away. I have 120. I'll put another 0. Then how many 200's? 6 of them. 2 times 6 is 12. So 200 times 6 is 1200. Take it away, 0. So the answer is 4.16 again. Let's do another example. Let's say I'm dividing 60.24 by 8. Let's put the decimal point up and do the division because I'm dividing by a whole number. How many 8s in 60? 7. 7 times 8, 56. Take it away. 4. Bring the next one down. 42. How many? 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Take it away. 2. Bring the next one down. How many 8s in 24? 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Take it away. 0. Now let's try an example where I'm dividing a decimal by a decimal. Let's say I have 10.764. Oops. Let's try one more time. 764 divided by 2.3. When the divisor is a decimal, the easiest way to do is to remove the decimals from the divisor. So you're going to start moving things. Now I'm going to move the decimal to the right one step. That means I need to move the decimal to the right one step in the dividend as well. So this problem became 107.64 divided by 23. Now I can proceed like before, put the decimal point in here and kind of see how that works out. How many 23s in 107? 4 of them. 4 times 23, that's 92. Take it away. You'll end up with 15. Bring the next one down. 6. How many? 6 of them. 6 times 23, that's 138. Take it away. You have 18. Bring the next one down. You have 184. How many? 8 of them. 8 times 23 is 184. And take it away. You have 0.